Hello, dear students. This is Manjunath, Assistant Professor, Department of Management. I am dealing with export management of fifth semester BBA, which comes under Mangalore University. First unit deals with international trade, under which first session is introduction and meaning. Learning objectives of this session is to familiarize the students with concepts of international trade. Outcomes of this particular session is to make students understand what is international trade and why international trade is to be studied. As you all know, India is going a very big transformation with the great advancement in technology, revolution in automation, computerization, with liberalization, privatization, and globalization, international trade plays an important and crucial role in an economic development of any country. Therefore, it is inevitable for management students to study international trade. International trade involves purchase of raw material from foreign suppliers, assembling products from components made in several countries, or selling goods or services to customers in other nations. It's nothing but importing and exporting of goods and services between one another countries. Every businessman started doing business beyond their countries in order to make huge profit. Why international business to be studied? Increasingly, companies are sourcing their human resource requirement globally. Business organizations, whether it is domestic organization or multinational organizations, they expect expertise in different field. Therefore, they recruit human resources across the globe. For example, PPO projects or KPO projects are legal process outsourcing projects. People from different countries are working. Similarly, India is exporting best brains to other countries. Same way, India is importing best brains from other countries to work on different projects in our country. Most of the products we consume every day are supplied to us by global business, right from our mobile phones we use every day to all sort of electronic gadgets. The food we eat, sometimes we import from other countries, and the cars we use, whether it is a luxurious cars or sports cars, they're all imported ones. And what we produce in our country abundantly, those are also to be exported to other countries. As the world is becoming a global village, more job opportunities are created, which in turn helps youths of a country. When youths are improved in the country, their standard of living is improved. In turn, economic development is automatically improved. It's a manager of today's business who needs knowledge about international business more than anything else, because manager is the one who runs the business, who's the pillar of the business. He needs to understand every bit of international business. International trade is nothing but exchange of goods and services between two countries. For example, if goods are exchanged between China and India, it is called as international trade. In other words, international trade is buying and selling of goods and services between two countries. The kind of products we export and imports are commonly television sets, clothes, machinery, capital goods, food, raw materials, etc. International trade is also known as external trade or foreign exchange. Types of what are the types of international trade? Import. Import is nothing but purchase of goods from other countries. For example, an Indian citizen purchases goods from China. It is an import. Export means selling of goods to other countries from domestic country. For example, an Indian citizen, if he sells goods to Germany, it is an export. Whatever excess products we produce in domestic country, those products will be sold to other countries. It is known as export. Bilateral trade, it is an agreement between two countries. For example, China and India as bilateral agreement. Similarly, America and India as bilateral agreement. Same way, India and Pakistan as bilateral agreement. Best example for bilateral trade is agreement of trade in civil aircraft. Multilateral trade, it is nothing but trade between one and many countries. For example, if India has trade relationship with many countries, it may be with Pakistan, America, China, or Germany, Japan. The main difference between bilateral trade and multilateral trade is in bilateral trade only two countries are involved. In multilateral trade, many countries are involved. Best example for multilateral trade is GATT, General Agreement on Trade and Tariff. Thank you very much.